Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, a very disappointing day on this one because, you have to give full credit where credit's due. On Thursday, this was an absolutely fantastic move. The price was grinding, and this, just like that, the gap down this morning, all that wiped away, and then the price even closed lower than where it was yesterday. So just a totally nasty movement here. The good news is, as at least it didn't, spin out of control in the sense of, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, meaning you see something that gaps down and then it spends the rest of the day just bleeding the remainder of the day. That didn't happen here. The price at least went sideways. So that's at least one of the positives, and that's also where the first key level of support comes into play going into next week. And that level of support is right down there at $1.52. And nothing fancy or complicated behind this at all, other than the fact of, $1.52 is where the buyers stepped up time and time again, including almost the final 30 minutes. The price didn't quite hit it, but close enough. So $1.52, definitely a must-hold level. And, why is that a must-hold level? Well, nothing fancy behind that other than the fact of, well, as you see here, if the price were to drop below that green line, then that would literally be putting the price, I think, at all-time lows. But I guess I don't know that for sure. But I'll just put it this way: lows that have not been seen for a very, very, very long time. So that is definitely why you would want to see that level continue to hold, which, like I said, to be fair, it's been doing a good job of holding strong. In the event there's going to be any sort of bounce back to the upside, key level of resistance to watch right now is that famous 50-period moving average, which on my chart denoted there by the purple line, and you can actually see that is right where the price got rejected from this morning. So if there is any sort of bounces next week, $1.65 going to be public enemy number one. So all in all, though, $1.65 key level of resistance, $1.52 key level of support. Let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.